Hi guys, I'm Chucho. So for the task number 3, I need to do a little video where I spray my map. So let me open the link. Give me a second. Oh my god. So well, I'm gonna do something first. I'm gonna read. After read, I'm gonna give some example, but you understand better, right? The title of my map is Advantages of Using ECT in the lesson of English as a foreign languages. So the first point is ACT can give us a real time investigation of the topic we're working on in class just by entering the internet and browsing in. So that is so simple because when you how you can explain that? Let me think. When you are seeing whatever topic, for example, past simple, future simple, you can find different materials in internet where you can learn better in your class face to face. The step number 2 is we have a wide variation of information to exercise different type of learning method in class. That is so true because thanks for the technology we can have a different type of information where we can improve our knowledge. For example, if you looking in Google, for example, if you are seeing past simple, for example, you can put past simple here. You can find different page where you can improve your knowledge. That is the reason that technology is very awful for our life. In more if you are studying all the languages, right? So the step number 3 is teaching can be given through audiovisual media such as sound, videos, spawning class as a teaching method to interact with students. Question what is the present, the audiovisual media can be able to analyze what is being said. Well, they did the same. The number 4 is so the ECT is not necessary to be guaranteed in the same place, but the class can be executed regardless of where we are okay and through a better medium we can communicate synchronically and interact with other classmates and the teacher. That is the way that we are learning. For example, UNA is a asynchronic environment where we can study and we can work. For example, well, right now I am working as an English teacher in one institution, in one English institution in here in Cucuta, where we work with this platform, Express, where you can have class, when you have class where you can improve your knowledge. That is the same way that they said. So this is the page where I work. Oh my god. Well, it's okay. Don't worry about that. Which ECT virtual game can be implemented in the class to make learning more dynamic and fun for its students. That is very, very awful for your class. You have internet. Internet have many games where you can put your student pray. Oh my god, you see, it's gonna be loved that. For example, we have Kahoot, where we have different material, different topic that our student can be improved their English. Step number or point number C is in such a technology global edge society, ICT give us the advantage that they can be used in the education field by connecting speaking with English learning to earlier participatory learning by speaking with a native speaker of the language that does attain a better understanding to pronunciation and better fluency when speaking. That is so. That point is more for us as in how I say that. Well, as us, whether we are working as a teacher, but we are in the university. For example, I recommend a space Omega. Omega can be, and sometimes can be very dangerous because you don't know who is the other person in your screen. But that's great because you can, for example, well, you can speak, you can have content, or you can speak with people with other country. So I recommend that page. There are many pages where you can improve your English, where you can contact with people another country. But my recommendation, if you are trying to learn English, my recommendation that you looking for English people or people can speak English. Point 7 is teacher have more tools to implement in class. It being a great help for learning methodology. It's the same that I said. Digital technology we use today for various fields. That is so true. One of them is education, and more so now that society increasing the use of these tools. Yeah, do you know technology are in whatever field in our life. So that is important that you are as an English teacher know different method and different technology where you can teach or you can improve your class because it's necessary right now more nowadays. So guys, I hope so that you understand everything that I say. Sorry if I did some mistake because when I explain whatever mistake that I don't have a lot of information, I can be do some mistake, but it's okay. Don't worry about that. I hope so that you enjoyed that video. Thank you very much. God bless you. See ya.